In front of me is OPPO A40 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Sorry, misclick. Then scroll all the way down to click on Privacy. Select Permission Manager and click on one of your device's features. Following that, click on one of your apps and tap on one of those options, Allow or Don't Allow. If you see this kind of pop-up, you need to select Cancel or choose Don't Allow anyway, and then go back. If you want to manage one of your apps instead of apps for your features, click on the chosen one, select See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!